Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how we use lean tools on the factory floor to improve productivity and reduce waste. 5S, Workplace Organization. Let's start with 5S. It's all about keeping the workplace clean and organized. We sorted out unnecessary items, arranged tools properly, and labeled everything. This helped reduce motion and save time during operations. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Next is Kaizen, which means small, continuous improvements. Our team suggested changes in workstation layout, and just by adjusting table positions, we improved line flow and reduced bottlenecks. Value stream mapping. We also used value stream mapping to analyze the full process. It helped us find delays and unnecessary steps, especially between cutting and sewing. After making changes, the lead time dropped significantly. And-on visual control. Lastly, we introduced a simple and-on system. If an operator faces a problem, they raise a signal. This way, supervisors can respond quickly and the line doesn't stop for long. These are just a few lean tools we're using. They're simple, but the impact is huge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial engineering content. See you in the next video.